Come on right up here. What's your name?
Dave.
Dave. Okay, Dave, right here. All right, Dave. What I'm going to have you, Kevin, come over here. I'm going to have you do some sound effects for us, Dave. So let's hear you just do a toilet flush.
It's one of those new.
Wow, yeah, that's a high-powered water flush. Okay.
It's a water saver.
Okay. All right. I'm going to have you hold this up too, because I think see this part with your other hand.
Okay.
Okay. Let me. Hold, there you go. Okay. Now hold that. Now push that up. There you go. Okay, Dave. You having fun?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, Dave. Let's hear you do a baboon. Well, I guess.
Oh!
Okay, Dave. All right. Now, how about something falling from the sky and hitting the earth? Well, it hit it pretty quick, didn't it? Okay. All right, how about a plane taking off? Or a toilet flush for you. All right, how about some adventure with my son? What are we doing?
Skydiving.
We're skydiving, so we'll be in the plane getting ready to skydive. Okay, you ready, Dave?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, son, let me check your parachute.
Wait, I have a parachute?
We should have one. We're skydiving today for the first time. All right, listen, let me check your helmet. Let me take that off. You need a helmet because you're probably going to land on your head.
Like you, when you were born. Man, I wonder...
Put it on and...
No, wait, I'm going to throw this at the airplane.
You want to throw your helmet out of the airplane?
Duh.
Okay, well, here, let me open the door. Wait, look out. Wow, I just ripped some tape off this door. Let me open the door. Here.
All right.
Look, there's a latch here.
It's quite a latch, Dad.
Okay, here we go. There it is. Listen to all that noise. Throw it out.
Oh!
It's going to land at him.
Oh!
Whoa!
Hey, Dad, that was like a nuclear invasion.
Wow, okay, here, set that up. All right. Son, before we make this final decision to jump, let's celebrate with Martinelli's... Not vodka, you idiot. I got a nice chest here.
Papa, my friend mentioned
And it's
vodka.
Martinelli's apple cider. Here we go. Shake it up.
All right.
Well, you're the moron. Okay, now. I'm just going to drink it out of the bottle.
Can I have some?
There we go. Oh, you got your head soft. There. Now your brain feels good. Wait, let's throw this out the airplane.
Oh, they
latch. There's that wind. Wow, they're landing faster. Okay. We must be only about 8 feet above the ground now.
I know, right? Wait,
All
Dad,
right.
I think I just heard the oven go off.
The oven?
Yeah. I just made this a cake for us.
Now that's just the plane backing up.
Oh.
Okay. Don't worry about it, son.
It's okay.
We're backing up into position to jump. Okay, we're going to make the jump now.
No, I'm not sure.
You ready? Okay, here we go. Check
Wait,
it
Dad, I forgot my parachute. I need to get a parachute now.
No, you don't need one. No.
It's yours.
No. Hey! See, I told you to hit. Hey, you just walk back in the plane.
I guess we landed.
Wow! We're jumping from the. This is it.
Yeah, Dad, you paid 99 cents.
What's going on?
You didn't give me this at the dollar store.
The plane crashed.
About 20 minutes happened.
Well, it crashed now. It's on fire.
Oh my God, this is like the.
Get some water.
Well, Dad, this is right there. Let me get this.
It's out. It's on fire. Here, put this bucket on your head. Okay. I'm going to see if I can get it to take off again. Hold on.
Dad, it sounds like the alternator's bad.
Like you know what that is. If you know what an alternator is.
AARP, then you can be certified for an extended coverage plan, which you denied by Allstate. That's not.